How to fix the issue where you're unable to install wireless display in optional feature updates. Now, if you're getting any kind of error message where you're unable to install this feature, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is just open up your Start menu and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet, and then you'll need to click on either Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on your connection. Now go and select your network from the list. You can then scroll down to Metered Connection and make sure this is turned off and disabled. Now once you've done that, go and open up the Start menu again, search for Control Panel and click on this window. Click on the drop-down arrow in the top right-hand side and select Large Icons, then click on Internet Options. Now click on Advanced. You could then scroll down to the bottom of this page, and where you see Use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, make sure all of these options are checked like so, and then press Apply and OK. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu, search for CMD and right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Now you need to go and type in the following command. Now I've got this saved in my notepad and I'll leave this in the video description to copy and paste. So we're just going to enter the command like so and click on enter. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while this installs onto your PC. Once it's finished, close out of this window and open up the Start menu. Search for Windows Security and click on this tool. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings. Make sure the real-time protection is turned off, and once it's turned off, you can try installing the Windows Display Adapter. Just remember to go and turn this back on once it's finished installing.